countrymen, just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai. Stop po agad for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako. Do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the law and order, no? At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na